Okay, so hopefully this makes sense to you. If it doesn't, let's break it down. So you have a constant speed, then basically that means your VI will be equal to your VF, okay, over a period of time. So a change in velocity is equal to VF minus VI. If they are the same number, that should be equal to 0. As we know, acceleration is equal to change in V. So if change in V is equal to 0, then our acceleration is equal to 0. So let's prove it. Let's say here's a car. It's me inside. I'm totally smiling. That's a smile. It's so big and large that it's coming off my face a little bit. All right. So I'm driving along at, let's say, highway speeds. There's traffic. I'm going 60 miles an hour. As you might have seen on my previous videos, I'm a bit of a speed demon. So I'm going 60. I'm going at a constant 60. So my VI will be equal to 60. My VF will be equal to 60. I can use our formula. Either A is equal to VF minus VI over T, or A is equal to VF squared minus VI squared over 2 times D. Doesn't matter, and here's why. A is equal to 60 minus 60 over, let's say I did it for 0.5 hours, so 30 minutes. So 60 minus 60 is equal to 0. 0.5 divided by 0.5 is equal to 0. Let's change up the color just so your eyes don't burn any more than they already are. Try it again. Let's say I went 60 miles per hour squared minus 60 squared divided by 2 times 30. So A is equal to 60 squared is 3,600. 3,600 minus 3,600 will be equal to 0. Divide by 2 times 30. So if I come up here, 0 over 60, A is still equal to 0. Okay? The reason I'm telling you this and why I think it is important is people love to be tricked by this. The test makers love to put stuff out like this that says constant speed or constant velocity and want you to use your formulas to solve for acceleration. And people make a lot of silly mistakes on those problems just because they misunderstand what constant means. Okay? So hopefully this kind of makes sense to you. And in the future, when you do catch it, it's a free, easy answer versus something that trips you up. Okay? Key takeaway, constant speed means 0 acceleration. Awesome.